pressure is high, we look to the limit and reach for the sky. Calvin Lee is the trainer to show you